Natural resources. Introduction of water. Water, water pollution, causes of water pollution. Water, a wonder liquid. Water occupies a very large area of the earth's surface and is also found underground. Some amount of water exists in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere. Most of the water on Earth's surface is found in seas and oceans and is saline. Fresh water is found frozen in the ice caps at the two poles and on snow-covered mountains. The underground water and the water in rivers, lakes, and ponds are also fresh. But why is water so necessary? And do all organisms require water? All cellular processes take place in a water medium. All the reactions that take place within our body and within the cells occur between substances that are dissolved in water. Substances are also transported from one part of the body to the other part in a dissolved form. Hence, organisms need to maintain the level of water within their bodies in order to stay alive. Terrestrial life forms require fresh water for this because their bodies cannot tolerate or get rid of the high amounts of dissolved salts in saline water. Thus, water sources need to be easily accessible for animals and plants to survive on land. Water is one of the major resources which determine life on land. Water pollution. Fertilizers and pesticides that we use in our farms dissolve in soil. So, some percentage of these substances are washed into the water bodies. Sewage from our towns and cities and the waste from factories are also dumped into rivers or lakes. Specific industries also use water for cooling in various operations and later return this hot water to water bodies. Another manner in which the temperature of the water in rivers can be affected when water is released from dams. The water inside the deep reservoir would be colder than the water at the surface, which gets heated by the sun. The term water pollution to cover the following effects. 1. The addition of undesirable substances to water bodies. These substances could be the fertilizers and pesticides used in farming, or they could be poisonous substances like mercury salts, which are used by paper industries. These could also be disease-causing organisms like the bacteria which causes cholera. The removal of desirable substances from water bodies. Dissolved oxygen is used by the animals and plants that live in water. Any change that reduces the amount of this dissolved oxygen would adversely affect these aquatic organisms. Other nutrients could also be depleted from the water bodies. A change in temperature. Aquatic organisms are used to a certain range of temperature in the water body where they live. And a sudden marked change in this temperature would be dangerous for them or affect their breeding. The eggs and larvae of various animals are particularly susceptible to temperature changes. That is all about in this topic. We will learn about soil and soil pollution in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.